Hello guys, I am Raj Bharat and I am from India. Today I am here to tell you about a beautiful product called GeneThink. What is this GeneThink? Guys, before discussing about this product GeneThink, let me ask you a few questions. Do you want to know the secrets to a happy and healthy life? Do you want to prevent the most common diseases due to this sedentary lifestyle? Or are you suffering from chronic illness? The only solution for all these questions is your DNA. Yes, you heard it right. That is your DNA. Your DNA is a fundamental thing for your health and well-being. Guys, people may lie, but your DNA don't lie, right? So, do you want to know what is really happening in the core level of your DNA? This GeneThink is a preventive healthcare genetic test. With this GeneThink, you can understand your genetic makeup, you can plan and personalize your diet and fitness plan, you can modify your lifestyle, you can plan and prevent your personalized health checkup regularly. And GeneThink is offering scientifically validating reports on 77 plus parameters. And GeneThink package includes nutrition and diet, health, fitness, food intolerance, skin and hair care. The most exciting and incredible thing is its cost. Yes, guys, this GeneThink genetic test is once in lifetime and this is the most cost affordable product all over the world. Still, some people ask why I should consider this GeneThink test. Let me tell you one thing guys, by 2045 it is estimated that there will be 700 million people living with diabetes all over the globe. Although chronic diseases are not curable, but their risk factors are highly preventable. We Indians taught about Vedas to the world, but still Hong Kong is standing in the first place in life expectancy rate with 85.29 years, whereas Indians got 135th position in average life expectancy rate with 72.49 years. What might be the reason? The only reason is they followed and believed in prevention. We Indians, we fascinated and misled by the foreign methods by judging our valuable Vedas. Ayurveda says, let the food be your medicine. Health comes from farm, not from pharmacy. Let me tell you a familiar example to all of us is in 2020, due to Corona, more than 1.76 million people were died all over the globe. But every year with chronic diseases, more than 17.9 million people are dying. If lockdown got declared to stop spread of coronavirus, which has killed 1.76 million people of world population, then what kind of lockdown should be imposed to stop 17.9 million deaths annually due to chronic diseases? The only solution is internal lockdown. Yes, internal lockdown. I mean, knowing about our genes through GeneThink test and following gene-based customized choices. This GeneThink has a power to help you to take control of your health. So guys, why late? Let's decode your DNA with GeneThink and empower you to adopt a smart and healthy lifestyle. Thank you.